This is my Android 11 tablet, and today I will be showing you how to get into split screen mode. This is a Samsung A71, and it really has limited features since it's a budget tablet. So to start the whole split screen, you have to first press the 3 vertical bar app drawer button to load what current apps you're running. So the first thing you should do is choose the app you want to do split screen and load it. I chose Chrome. And so then now I can press the three vertical lines for the app drawer. And here's Chrome on the top right. To see if your app supports split screen, just click on the icon. That's all. So for Chrome, I click on this icon over here, and it'll give me a bunch of listed options. One of them is open in split screen. And that's over here, open in split screen. Hopefully you can see it. I'm probably sure you can't, but the second option is open in split screen. You click on that, and you can see there's a bar here on the left indicating that's what's going to be on the left side of the split screen. And so now I can choose a second thing to be part of the split screen, and I could do it here on the app drawer. I can choose this Edge browser or YouTube, any one of this stuff. So I'm going to try YouTube, and you'll see that it split screens with Chrome on the left and YouTube on the right. So if I press home again, the left app will still be what I put as split screen. I don't know how to switch the apps on the split screen really well. And even at this point, it's kind of like, how do I get rid of split screen? The nice thing is there's just an X. I think you just press that and it gets rid of split screen. So that's how you get rid of split screen. So again, I'm going to load up split screen again, just to show you. Click on the icon. See, I could have done it with YouTube. Click on YouTube over here, the little icon for YouTube. And then it says open in split screen. It's the second option. And then I can choose a different app to load. Again, I didn't have to do it in the app drawer. I could have done it from over here and chose a different app, like calculator over here. So you can do it from your what do you call it, home screen. You can see the calculator opens on the right and YouTube on the left. And you can change the size if you want from the middle. There's a little bar in the middle that indicates where you can press and hold. And if you want to get rid of it completely, again, I showed you if you press home, you can press the X over here. Or if you have this loaded, you can also just scroll to the very side, I think, and it gets rid of it. So that's it. It's really easy with Android 11. I think this is how you do it for Android 11 in general, but this is a Samsung tablet, so maybe it's a little different. I just know it's support for the A71 2020 10-inch tablet.